We are back in the lair. The lair, it's kind of a mess right now, as he likes to call it. Peep this, peep this, peep this. Jeez! Whoo. If you guys saw my previous video, you guys already know what's going down for my car. It's gonna be something like this. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Shit's going down today, boys. No, I'm just joking. We're just doing spark plugs and a valve cover gasket replacement. Damn, look how dirty my car is. I have not cleaned this shit in literally 2.5. No, okay, I don't want to say 2.5. A solid, at least a solid 2 months since I cleaned this car. It has, yeah, she's seen better days. And then look at my flippin' diffuser. I mean, it doesn't really do it justice, but I have messed this diffuser up 20 times and I'm not very happy about it, but whatever. But yeah, guys, this car has just been nothing but the daily. With the light set up, it's currently 7 o'clock, just pitch black right now. So I need air for my tires. Buddy's got the air compressor right there just chilling, because me being the dumbass I am, I have not checked tire pressure in a while, and all 4 tires need to be filled up. Got my, oh, you can't even see that. Oh, you can kind of see it, my winter set right there. Jeez, we got the setup going on.
Freaking extra brightness.
Buddy, it's been a freaking minute, man. What's going on?
Been a minute, man.
Been a minute since you've been on a video. What's up?
Dude, it's freaking, fixing broke people's cars here, The usual. Jason Speed, broken down as usual. Oh, no. We're just doing maintenance shit today,
Yeah, So, yo, what's next? What's next for next? Wait, fuck. What's next for next season?
Next season for me?
Yeah, bro.
Dude, I don't know if that's.
Can't disclose that information.
Can't really disclose that stuff to YouTube,
Oh, okay.
No, some big plans. Big plans. Hopefully everything all pans out.
Yeah.
Everything goes smoothly. Hopefully there's enough time. Let's put it at that. Because I got some big projects that take a lot of time. But yeah, no, it's looking good, man.
Jeez. Let's go, man. You guys missed the speed? Let me show you a little. Jeez. God damn, this shit's clean. Oh, a diffuser that's not broken like mine. Damn, I wish my car was this clean. Oh, wait, does he have the summers on still? Yeah, he does. Something my car will never experience. Under a Mazdaspeed valve cover, wiped off some of the oil. Kind of trippy to see it like this, not gonna lie. New plugs going in. What we gap it to?
I gapped it tighter to the 0.26.
0.26. So recommendation is 0.26 to 0.28.
Yeah, on a stock turbo. Because if you upgrade your turbo, I think I have mine at 0.24.
Oh really?
Yeah, mine's really small.
Oh shit.
I can't remember, I don't know. I remember Justin told me to re-gap my plugs even tighter. I was like, holy shit, okay.
Oh shit, okay. Yeah, hopefully this fixes the issue where the car kind of I mean, it will, to be honest, should, but hopefully it fixes the issue where freaking oil is leaking into my cylinders where the spark plugs are, and then hopefully it fixes the acceleration issue where it kind of stutters and all that shit, but it should be fine. Yo, it feels like it's been freaking ages, man, since I've literally just vlogged and talked to the camera like this. Man, this is pretty weird, not gonna lie. Once again, the motherfucking lair. The busted knuckle garage. Jeez. These are the old boys right here. Look at that. still. Oh, there we go. There's how she's looking right now. Yo, look, I fucking cracked this.
The next day.
I didn't really know what to record, but if you guys can see, my trunk is an absolute disaster. So I thought it's a good time to organize it. And little update for you guys, just random shit. I got new tools. I got rigid drill bit set right here, Home Depot. I got this new 3/8 I got this new 3/8 subcompact impact gun. This thing's fucking sick. So I'm just gonna organize the shit out of this and make it look not like this, because this is a disaster, guys. Like, what the fuck is this? Also, look at my work boots, guys. Yep. I work 16-hour days in this shit, and she holds up pretty good. Can't complain. Don't really know where I'm going with this video, but let's see what happens. Also got this little torque wrench. I got a 3/8 torque wrench. It's just literally an Amazon Basics one, but look at this. It's pretty good for what it is. You can't go wrong. This was what, like $30, $35. It's good to have. Nice little handy tool. And it comes with a cool box. Yo, just let me do my shit. Yo, if you have a Mazdaspeed 3, always carry oil. Guys, just look at this shit. Oh my god. I just unboxed the drill bit kit. The drill bit kit right here. Shit's pretty sick. Oh my god. There's nothing better than a... Oh my god. Whoo! God damn! Shit's so sick. Okay, we're gonna put all this back in the box. All these papers and shit. 2 free fucking batteries. Came with a charger and 2 batteries. Does it have a battery on it? Oh, it's not charged. Oh, it's awkward.